The room fell silent the moment the billionaire smiled and made his challenge. Every employee standing nearby expected the same ending they had seen dozens of times before. A hardworking single father would swallow his pride, apologize, and continue working because he had bills to pay and a child depending on him. But something completely unexpected happened. The quiet father calmly walked to his locker, pulled out a worn cardboard box, and began packing the few belongings he owned. The billionaire's confident smile slowly disappeared as everyone realized this man was actually leaving. In that unforgettable moment, the richest man in the building discovered that some people value dignity more than a paycheck, and that lesson would change far more than one life. Before this emotional journey continues, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment, share it with someone who believes in kindness and second chances, and subscribe to TrueTaleTime. Your support helps us bring more powerful stories that remind the world compassion still exists. Every morning before sunrise, Owen Carter quietly entered the towering headquarters of Harwood Global Industries carrying a faded lunch bag and an old family photograph tucked inside his wallet. The picture showed him standing beside his little 8-year-old daughter, Hazel, whose bright smile had become the greatest reason he refused to give up despite life's endless hardships. Ever since his wife passed away after a long illness, every responsibility rested on his shoulders. He balanced school runs, hospital checkups for Hazel's asthma, grocery shopping, late-night laundry, and exhausting shifts as a maintenance supervisor. His hands were rough from years of honest labor, but his heart remained gentle. He believed that every hallway he cleaned and every machine he repaired deserved the same care because someone else's work depended on it. Many employees barely noticed him, yet he quietly solved problems that kept the massive company running every single day. At the top of the corporate ladder stood billionaire Victor Harwood, a man celebrated in magazines for building an empire from nothing. Success had transformed him into someone who measured people by titles, expensive suits, and profit margins. He admired confidence but confused humility with weakness. During a surprise inspection, he noticed Owen taking a few extra minutes to help an elderly security guard carry heavy equipment. To Victor, compassion looked like wasted productivity. He questioned Owen's commitment and publicly mocked his priorities in front of executives and workers. Believing no single father struggling to pay rent would dare risk unemployment, Victor confidently suggested that if Owen disliked the company's expectations, he was free to quit immediately. The words echoed across the bright daytime lobby like a challenge designed to break a man's spirit. Instead of lowering his head, Owen quietly thanked the people who had treated him with respect over the years. He walked toward his locker, folded his work jacket with care, packed his lunch container, placed the family photograph safely into his pocket, and handed over his employee badge. There was no anger in his face, only calm determination. His peaceful response stunned everyone watching. For years, Owen had taught Hazel that self-respect could never be bought. If he accepted humiliation simply because he needed money, he would betray the very lesson he hoped his daughter would carry throughout her life. As he stepped outside into the warm daylight, uncertainty filled his future, but regret did not. The following weeks became the hardest season Owen had ever experienced. Savings disappeared quickly. Every purchase required careful thought. Some evenings he quietly skipped dinner so Hazel could enjoy a full meal without realizing anything was wrong. He continued smiling during breakfast, helping with homework, and walking her to school beneath bright blue skies while hiding his growing worries. Friends offered sympathy, but jobs were difficult to find. Companies preferred younger applicants or workers with specialized certifications. Still, Owen refused to surrender to bitterness. Whenever neighbors needed broken fences repaired, elderly residents required help fixing leaking pipes, or local schools needed volunteers for maintenance work, he showed up without expecting recognition. His kindness remained unchanged even when life seemed unfair. One afternoon, a community center director noticed Owen repairing damaged playground equipment for free while children laughed nearby. Impressed by both his skill and humility, she introduced him to several local business owners who valued character more than appearances. Word spread rapidly about the dependable single father who solved difficult problems with honesty and patience. Before long, homeowners, schools, and small companies began calling him directly. What started as tiny repair jobs slowly grew into a respected maintenance service. Owen hired 2 unemployed fathers from his neighborhood, believing everyone deserved another opportunity. Within months, his small team became known not only for excellent work but also for helping elderly clients at reduced prices whenever possible. Meanwhile, Harwood Global Industries faced unexpected trouble. Machines broke down more frequently because no one understood the aging systems as thoroughly as Owen once had. Expensive contractors charged enormous fees while repairs took far longer than before. Employee morale also declined after many workers remembered how publicly Owen had been embarrassed despite years of loyal service. News of the incident quietly spread beyond company walls, damaging Victor Harwood's reputation as a leader. For the first time in many years, the billionaire realized that buildings are not held together by steel alone. They stand because ordinary people choose every day to give their best. Curious and humbled, Victor eventually visited the community center where he found Owen supervising several workers restoring classrooms before the new school term. Instead of wearing an expensive business suit, Owen stood beneath the bright afternoon sun wearing simple work clothes, laughing alongside his team while children watched excitedly. There was pride in every face around him, not because of wealth but because of purpose. Victor finally understood that the greatest leaders do not create fear, they create respect. He offered Owen an executive position with a generous salary and sincere apologies for the humiliation he had caused. Owen listened quietly before making the most important decision of his life. He accepted the apology because forgiveness lightened the heart, but he politely declined the job. His dream had changed. He wanted to continue building a company where every worker felt valued regardless of education, background, or paycheck. Victor respected the decision and later partnered with Owen's growing business, ensuring fair contracts while adopting new workplace policies focused on dignity and respect. Hundreds of employees benefited from those changes, proving that one courageous decision can transform an entire organization. If this story touched your heart, please like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to TrueTaleTime so more inspiring stories can reach people who need hope today. Special request: before you leave, comment with the words, "Respect over fear," if you believe kindness, courage, and self-respect always create a brighter future. As the sun slowly settled across the city that evening, Owen walked hand in hand with Hazel through a peaceful neighborhood park. He no longer measured success by the size of a paycheck but by the smile on his daughter's face and the lives his choices had inspired. The billionaire had believed money could predict every decision, yet one single father proved that the richest people are often those who refuse to sell their dignity. Sometimes the bravest step is packing your belongings and walking toward an uncertain tomorrow, trusting that integrity will lead you somewhere far greater than comfort ever could.